Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to compile and run Python in Visual Studio Code, VS Code. This tutorial assumes that you have already installed Visual Studio Code on your system. If you haven't already installed Visual Studio Code, you can download it from the official website, Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window or using the shortcut ctrl+shift+x. Search for Python in the Extensions view search box and install the official Python extension by Microsoft. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new folder for your Python project. Inside your project folder, create a new Python file, example app.py, for your code. Open the app.py file and write a simple Python program. For example, VS Code needs to know which Python interpreter to use for your project. Open the command palette by pressing ctrl+shift+p, type Python, select interpreter, and choose the interpreter for your project. After selecting the Python interpreter, you can run your Python code in VS Code. Right-click inside the editor and choose Run Python File in Terminal or use the shortcut Ctrl+F5. VS Code provides powerful debugging tools for Python. Set breakpoints in your code by clicking on the left margin of the editor and then run the debugger by clicking the Run button in the debug view on the side or using the F5 key. If your Python project requires external libraries, you can use the integrated terminal in VS Code to install them using the pip command. For better project isolation, you can create a virtual environment. Open the terminal and run. Activate the virtual environment. That's it. You've successfully set up, compiled, and run a Python project in Visual Studio Code. Explore more features like linting, code formatting, and version control integration to enhance your development experience. Happy coding! ChatGPT